It's a good idea to try out any flat, matte, or satin paint before using it on a project to see if you like it. So today we're going to try out some SEM Hot Rod Black. We mix the paint according to the instructions, and it also says to give it 2 medium wet coats and wait 15 minutes in between each. We're only going to be focusing on this part right here. After 2 even coats at 70 degrees, waiting 15 minutes between each and letting it dry overnight, this is what it looks like. The good thing about SEM is it dries nice and even. If you're aiming for a flatter finish, you might try to spray it a bit drier, although this is pretty close to what I've seen on the internet. There are quite a few factors when spraying low gloss finishes, so again, it's always good to do a few test panels. I hope you enjoyed this video on SEM Hot Rod Black. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.